And our app is Use Cruise, a game for sanitation awareness for kids. Project members, I'm Tristan, Charisse, Anthony, and Joseph. Okay. Basically, our app is geared towards educating children on sanitation and cleanliness. So basically, our problem would be creating an app that will be used by individuals and children. So we are addressing this problem because we believe that by educating the children, we are educating the future parents and the future leaders of our country.
So for our demo, we have 4 games. The first one is Scratch Up. It's a quiz game where you have to scratch and guess the picture. So most of the pictures are sanitary tools. So this one is a toilet bowl. So if you answer wrong, we'll say if it's correct, you have to answer it. So until you answer to the end.
The next game.
And then our next game is called Trash Stash. There are 3 trash bins, so you have to sort them out. So this one is a banana peeling, so you can sort this as compostable. So it will
go into
the trash bin. So and then recyclable. Oh my god. And then the others.
What if wrong?
If it's the wrong one, it doesn't go to the trash bin.
Okay.
Okay. And then our next up is Poos and Faucet. It's more like Snake and Ladders game, but we just simplify it. So you have to roll the dice. And if you step on a poo, you will have to start again. And then, okay, until you reach the toilet flush. And then our next game is Wash Up. It's more of hand washing. So you have just to arrange the steps for hand washing. And then at the last, you will play Happy Birthday so you can demonstrate the hand wash. So that's our app.
Questions?
Oh, sorry.
Luis.
Miss Chris? Suddenly I'm now Chris. No? Congratulations. This team has been quietly working on the sidelines, and I never realized they were developing 4 games. they were so quiet. And congratulations for your effort in developing this application. And offhand, I'm not saying this comment on behalf of UNICEF, but I would be surely, most probably they will be very interested in taking up this application, because UNICEF, as one of our program partners, is really advocating on wash or hand washing for children. And as you said, the context of educating children, I don't know what's the target population for this game, around 3 to 8 or 3 to 10?
It's actually general.
We
started for the Scratch M. It's more on those identification for toddlers. So I'm preschool. Sorry.
Okay.
So basically, if they know what's a toilet, that stuff. And then this one is more on the elementary and
Okay, so it's
even
probably
can
cover specific age segment for kids. And what I want to see in one of the applications, the one that actually the scratching part, perhaps you may want to, perhaps when a certain facility comes out, it's like a toilet, perhaps you can put in a little trivia on, it's like a toilet, this kind of toilet is found in, and something like that. something fun, something that catches a kid's attention, so that they will remember why is it important to use such facility.
How to
And
properly use.
how to properly use it. And yes, and I think this will be very, very useful not only from the part of the, I see a potential take-up of this application, not only from our partner, UNICEF, perhaps the Department of Education may want to recognize this as an information, educational communication game. I don't know if that's a new word for them to educate and advocate children on sanitation. And perhaps we don't know. We can probably see what happens next. So, congratulations on your concept and well done.
Thank you.
You really...
Anyway, yeah, I told you guys, if you are going to nail this one, I'm the first person to download this app for my 3-year-old daughter. Okay, yeah, just the age, no? Yeah, it's really nice. Focus on the age, what age, and upgrade the, the levels. But I want you guys to look into the special children as well. I'm in the academy. I'm a school administrator, so I know how special this app could help those special child as well. Really, really informative. Congrats. Yeah.
Okay. Actually, you surprised most of us. Because yesterday you had a sign na no mentors allowed. So we weren't able to actually go and see. But when I was roaming around a while ago, I was able to see a sneak preview the images. But I didn't expect it to be 4 games actually, and you'd finish it before the presentation. When I ask here how creative it is, it's very, very creative. Yeah, you have a certain age group that you want to address to, and the games are also effective, and I think it addresses, as you said, your problem statement, which is sanitation awareness. So congratulations. Ms. Joy?
Oh yeah, congratulations. So, you did very well in the presentation, as well as the prototype sort of thing. Yeah, just like keep developing what's like depending on the ages sort of thing. You need to focus more on that.
And Sir Efren.
Actually, well, honestly, I was surprised yesterday doing a map and at the same time have a game. And the game is practically complete.
Yeah.
Then why are you doing the map? Why not focus on the game? So
Yeah, we actually we wanted to get all the ages, and then the two of them made us think
From 2% to 0.
yeah, okay, so we'll scratch the map and then we'll do the games instead.
which is actually, you did it actually very well.
Yeah.
It's actually well done. It was actually better. This one is actually better than the one you showed me yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, we made
Yeah.
They slept very well.
So 48 hours of no sleep or?
No, we slept last night.
But hopefully not with each other.